Hi friends, I am Krishna Mohan. So today we are going to learn what is a static variable, okay, and how to declare a static variable. Okay, uh, like in Java, okay, the same concept is applicable over here also. Okay, so static variable is the variable whose value is same for all the objects in of a class. Okay, so if you take uh, what is a static variable? A static variable is a variable whose value is same for all the objects of a class. Okay, same for all the objects of, or will, or whose values will remain same for all the objects of a class. Okay, so this is what we can say the definition. Okay, there are different definitions we will be getting from different books. Okay, so here the main important thing which you have to concentrate is okay, here the static variable means, suppose if you have already learned about the instance variable. The instance variable, what happens whenever I am creating an object, for each and every object the copy of the instance variable will be created. Okay, but with respect to the static variable, okay, static variable will be created only one time and it will be shared with the objects. Okay, so if you say I will be explaining you with the some program. Okay, and the static variable should be declared inside the class but outside the constructor or the instance method. So static variable should be declared declared inside the class but outside the constructor or instance method or instance or outside the instance method. Okay, and the third thing is uh, how to what you call access this static method. Okay, static method, sorry, how to access this static variable. Okay, how to access the static variable? Static variable should be accessed uh, with class name. Okay, like in instance variable, how you are going to access? You are going to access with the keyword self. Okay, in the same way, a static variable should be accessed with the class name, or we can access uh, through the reference variable or the object, if you say. Okay, so actually it is better to spell it as a reference variable. Okay, so but static variable is recommended to access through the class name. Okay, it is not recommended. Okay, so let's see what is a static variable and how we are going to define a static variable. Okay, so in the program, uh, Suppose I will be declaring a class 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 name will be sample. In this class I will be declaring an instance variable, sorry, I will be declaring a constructor. So def mm, what will be the name of the constructor? Underscore underscore init underscore underscore self. So in that I will be declaring an instance variable. So how can I declare an instance variable? self dot some b is equal to some 10. This is how we will be declaring a instance variable. But here our topic is to declare how to declare a static variable. So static variable should be declared inside the class but outside the constructor. So we have to declare here. So how will you declare? Normal variable, how we are declaring it, in the same way we have to declare it. So suppose a is equal to some 20. So this is what is a static variable. Okay, see here. Q. Okay, this is actually the class name, this is file name. Okay, this is not you, if you are saying okay here it is instance is there, so it may be an instance variable. No, it is not like that. Okay, I have created a what you call Python file as instance, that's why it has this, that is the file name. Okay, so in this way we have to create it. Okay, outside the constructor but inside the class. Okay, so what I will be doing is how can I access it? Okay, suppose I wanted to access this what you call the static variable inside the constructor. Actually the constructors are not meant for doing any writing any logic or printing anything, but it has to be used only to initialize these non-static variables. Okay, but at this particular point of time I wanted to see how you are going to access inside the constructor. So I wanted to print how we are going to print that a value. If I am using self dot a, it is definitely it is going to give some error. Will it give? We'll see. And I will be when this constructor will be executed whenever I am creating an object. So some ref, it is what is the reference variable is equal to, and class name sample. Okay, I will run this. Okay, what is been printed? 20 is been printed. Okay, so here within the constructor I can use as self. Okay, but it is not recommended. Okay, I have to use what I have to use, class name. Okay, but normally inside the constructor we will not be doing any such kind of operations. Okay, where actually we will be using it either in outside the class or inside the instance method. So what I will be doing is I will be creating an instance method over here. Let it be some def add is my instance method. Okay, in this uh, one second. Uh, in this I will be writing a logic of adding this a and b. So if I say print uh, add, here I wanted to add it value of a and b. So if I am saying a plus b over here like this, okay, so here if I am mentioning self dot a and self dot b. Will it take? Because it is an instance method. Okay, we can access through it. Right. Let us check it. And I wanted to for to call, I have to call this method also, no? So ref dot add. Sorry. Right. Run it. Right. So if it is inside the what you called instance method, we can use it. Then what about outside the this class? If I will execute the same thing, uh, I will delete this one. Okay. Now what I will be doing is I don't want to use this variable inside the class. I wanted to use outside the class. So print mm, same logic, add. Okay, so if I am saying I can't use self, so what I have to do, I have to give the class name. So what is the class name? SAMPLE, sample dot a plus what is the reference? Ref dot p. Okay, right. So if I am using a static variable, I have to give the reference of the class. Okay, if I am using the instance variable, so I have to give the reference of the reference variable. Okay, that is the object. Okay, so can I use the give the reference of the reference variable? You can give it, but it is not recommended. Okay, whenever you are using any static variable, you have to use with respect to the class name only. So okay, in this way you have to use it. Okay, and how you are going to declare it? You have to go into declare the static variable inside the class but outside the constructor. Okay, it should be declared in this way as we declare the normal variable. Okay, right? Hope you understood this concept. Okay, we will be getting deep into this concept in the later our classes. Okay, thank you.